You shut up. We got
No.
You shut up.
No.
No. Don't say that word. We got stuck in a rain blizzard. It's not a blizzard.
Scarf off your head.
Okay, it's probably like a mess.
It already looks a mess.
Forget you. Ugh. Ugh. You. Never
You
mind.
taking a video of my stomach?
No.
My whole
Look
stomach.
at them tattoos. Look at the tiger. You can't see that
It's
one.
not a dragon.
Tiger.
It's not a tiger.
It is a lion.
Idiot.
What I look like,
You
Shawty?
should have took a video of my daddy when he said, "Don't go out there." I should have never. I was crazy for going out there. What's your hair look like?
I don't know.
Let me see.
VALTINA. Okay, so
Oh,
I'm sorry. Sorry.
it's all
What's
dark
that
in here.
thing?
Maybe you should turn the light on.
Okay.
Ah, those skinny legs.
Ow!
Woo! That's better. You look even whiter now.
Whiter?
Mhm.
Where's the brush?
Oh, I gave it to you.
Don't be like you. Funny like the hat might look too small for my head, but it ain't though.
What do I look like? Do I look crazy? Do I look?
G, sorry.
Whatever. I probably look stupid.
G, sorry. Did you wear your white hat with your white shoes?
No, give me my white hat. Let me put it on.
No.
Give me.
Push me again and see what happens.
My white hat's not very white. That's why I don't wear it. It's kind of dirty.
You want to know?
Yeah. No, I want that blue. I keep telling you I want.
That ugly blue one. What?
Do I look crazy? With
You
this
look white.
Let me see.
Because you already white. Your shirt white. And now your hat white.
No.
You look white.
Give me my contacts so I can see you. Let me see that. Don't. Don't.
Look in video cam.
No.
Look in. Y'all want to see her get beat up?
Wow. You not even got it.
How you know?
You want to see her get slapped? Do you want to see her get slapped?
She right.
Oh, she gonna move. Wait, let me hold it while I do it. You ready? Look at her holding her eye. You want to call security now? Oh, stop tickling me. Alright there.
Got some Cheetos?
No. She said, hey, look at all this Cheetos she got on her screen. I was like, I record her screen.
Record my what?
She eating some nasty Cheetos. Her breath smell like feet. You nasty. There's a Cheeto on my bed. No, it's a tangerine.
Where did the banana go?
In your hair.
So, you want me to dance for y'all?
No, you dance for me. What did you just do?
Look at me. People don't see me like this.
Who's gonna see this?
Everybody who's on Facebook.
Why?
Where's the prize?
Do I look nice enough to go on Facebook? Give me some earrings or something.
She don't wear earrings, people. What? You want to see her panties drawer?
It's all pink.
I found it. Oh, what?
What if I would record that? You still put it on Facebook?
Yep. So my hair is nappy today.
You hear it crackling when she's brushing it?
I wonder why it's nappy. Yeah, do you have any reason why it's nappy?
I don't know. Ooh, let me turn the camera away for a second. Y'all don't want to know. You do not want to know. Because it is scary over here.
Man, my track loose. I thought that it probably was a dream.
What did you dream about?
No, shut the hell up. I can't now. Go ahead. Danielle, look how like.
Come here, let me see.
Huh?
Come here, let me see. Your legs look so skinny. You said mine look skinny. Let me see. My legs does not. Oh, yes it does. Let me see. Wait, record it while I'm standing up so I can see how skinny it is.
Y'all waiting for me to come back?
Whoa. Whoa. Record my skinny legs.
I ain't gonna give me the phone.
No, do this like you did with that girl. It's like, you're inappropriate. Oh, you nasty.
Kiddo. Is it upside down? Yep, it was upside down. Upside down shouted. Look at them legs. Bony. What's good, shouting? It's like 10 o'clock in the morning, right? Yes, it is. Look, I'm about to be 11.
So why are you saying it's 10 o'clock is about to be 11?
Okay, that's why you light and bright.
So
go blend in with the snow.
Okay, let me go lay down. I need some shoes, though. You ready?
You're not going out there with no shorts on?
Yeah, let's go play in the snow.
No, you're going to get sick. I'm not going.
I'm already sick. Somebody already gave me strep throat.
Somebody gave me herpes.
I gave you herpes? Mm-hmm. Your mama gave me.
No, your mama. Bring pictures of my mama and watch this video. Look, I can see myself in the mirror shouting. Hey, gorgeous. Okay, do my dance. Do it.
No.
Oh, I want to put the music on.
What?
Cause you about to dance, I'ma shout it. Dance, I'ma shout it. Shake something, dance. Shake something with it. Shake something with it. Hey. No. No, you're my way. Shake something with it. Shake something with it. Hey. Hey. G46. Shake something with it. Shake something with it. Nada. This is about to get nasty.
Why?